Greetings, my name is Andrei and I will present our group and our project called Babysitter 01. Our team members are Andrei Luiz, Lucas Ricardo, and Luís Fellype. We are from Brazil and represent the Federal University of Vale do São Francisco. The problem we aim to solve is the difficulty hearing impaired parents face when monitoring their children. It can be stressful and inconvenient for them when the baby wakes up or cries without their awareness. Our solution is Babysitter 01. This project addresses the issue by sending a visual alert to hearing impaired parents wherever the device detects continuous movements indicating that the baby is awake or crying.
Hello, my name is Luis and I'll show you how our project works. First, we put a kind of a loading screen that works as an ornament, but it actually gives time to calibrate the infrared sensor behind the scenes. After the loading screen, the LCD backlight stays off, showing the baby state and that there is no movement detected. So, why did we turn off the backlight? That's because the screen attracts more attention when it's turned on, warning the user that a movement was detected by the sensor. So, the main logic of the project is, if a single movement is detected, it doesn't mean that the baby is actually awake, right? So we put a timer that gives the sensor a moment to detect another movement. When it reaches 3 detections, the device concludes that the baby is in fact unusually moving and a message is printed on the screen. Overall, our main obstacle was implementing this logic, but also we had to make it the most accessible way possible for the user. So we needed something useful and that attracts attention in fact.
My name is Lucas Ricardo and I'm going to walk you through on how this project works. First, you need to attach the presence sensor to the crib, making sure it's pointed towards the baby. Second, you place the LCD screen somewhere you can easily see it. And third, when you power it, it will take a few seconds to calibrate the sensor. Once it's done, that's it. The device will be actively monitoring for any movement. Initially, the display shows a message that no movement is detected. And when the baby moves in front of the sensor, like this, a brief alert will pop up on the screen. Now, if the baby moves repeatedly within a short period, the display will show an alert that the baby is awake. This stays on for 1 minute, and an LED will also start flashing to really grab your attention. Now, to wrap up, looking at future improvements, a significant challenge we faced was the lack of a Bluetooth module. Implementing one would be our next step to greatly extend the operational range between the sensor and the display unit. And that's it. Thank you for watching.